Bam, I just got this in the mail. Check it out. There's some info on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. See if I can get it open. Oh, I got the box open. All right, I think it's going to be pretty cool. Look, check this out. One of the few products that comes with a block, 20 watt. And here it is. I think it's just one piece, to tell you the truth. Bam. Oh, that's nice. So anyway, your watch would go here, your phone here, and your earbuds here. That's how it's going to work. So we're going to have to put all that stuff on here and plug it in. If you look back here, it's got a USB-C to USB-C. All right, and I'm sure that there is in here a couple more things: USB-C and a user's manual. So yeah. You get this with it to charge it. So this is just about 5 feet long. All right, so you're going to put this in here, and then you're going to put this in here, and then you're going to plug this in, and then you just put your stuff right on top of there, and we'll show you how that works. I think it's going to be a pretty good little tool, don't you guys? Plus it's white. I like that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how this thing works. Peace out.